All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brap Genius back at again with another video, another update here for our KX250X build that we're doing today. We've got our aftermarket skid plate with the linkage guard. That's going to be super helpful to make sure that this bike has as much protection as possible, because it has a skid plate on there now, but as you can see, that's really not going to be doing much. So this will be much more useful, and like I said, it will protect the linkage right up over here. So
yeah, start it off right, boys. Oh, yeah, bud. Send it. Yeah.
As always, we have our directions here. These don't look like they're the best. I looked up a video online to see how to do it. It's another pretty easy install, but we're going to go through here and do it ourselves. Let me get these guys set up and then kind of go through. All right, guys, so we're going to have a lower mountage here just so you guys can get a better view. First thing we're going to have to do, obviously, is pull off the skid plate here that we have. So I'm going to start off with that. You can see here, this is going to be our mounting bracket for the new skid plate, at least part of it. So we're going to slide these in here because that's going to be what we bolt into later. Very easy. Make sure it lines up correctly. Same thing again on this side. Push it in, line it up correctly. Make sure it's in enough. Needs a little bit more. Beautiful. You can see those holes line up perfectly. And now that's going to come up here. Mount it somewhere around here. You can kind of just push that into place itself. If you hear it snap in, that's how you know. Should be sitting right about there. All right, so we've got this piece mounted in here. That should be right about where it's supposed to be. Now the next step it shows is in here. You're going to add this into place. You're going to take one of the skinnier bolts and send it through the middle piece here. It's almost got that in all the way. Okay. So like I said, that's going to be the mounting bracket. Now you can make sure that's lined up correctly for when we go to put it on. That's going to be where we start today. Set this up in here. Kind of line it up the way we want it. This will be what gets us started. Got the two Allen bolts. They're going to go into the mounting bracket that we just set up. Get everything lined up. Start there. Alright, so that's on there good. Take our washers, throw them on these bolts that are going to go on the front here. Line them up properly. Line it up. Make sure it lines up correctly, and then we can really start to get these into place here. It's a 10 millimeter. Just go back and forth. Once it's getting really tight, it'll start to dig into the adhesive a bit. That's how you know it's right where you want it. You don't want to go through the adhesive, but you want it to be enough to where the flesh of it is in, because that's not going anywhere. You have the extra coverage for the linkage. So you can see we have two holes here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put this underneath, and then these are going to pop through, and then we're going to take our fastening brackets and put them on from the other side. So like I said, even if you've tightened this thing down pretty good, you should still have enough flex to fit this underneath. We do. Like I said, line that up. It fits. Beautiful. Now we can take this, throw it over the top. That's wrong. All right, now we can take these. Get them set up. go. All right. See how long that lasts on there. I don't know how long that's going to stay, but it's a cool little graphic. I can put that on. All right, so you can see so far we've done the frame guards, the hand guards. Now we've done our skid plate. Let's check it out. So you've got the 2 mounts under here that we've done. Those are bolted in. On the underneath here, we have the 3 right here. The 1 holds the mounting bracket on the other side in place, and then these 2 go into the frame. And then for our linkage guard, we just added this piece in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. That's the skid plate. Again, I'm doing a whole build series on this bike, so if you guys are interested, you can go to my Kawasaki KX250X playlist and see all the mods that I'm doing. Thank you for watching, guys, as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.